This watermelon salad is sweet, it's salty, and a burst of refreshing summer flavors in your mouth. Hi, and welcome back to Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and comment. And if you enjoy trying out recipes that turn out right every time, you're at the right place. So go ahead, press that subscribe button, and while you're at it, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. We're going to start by first putting together our dressing for the salad. And for that, we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I always like to use fresh limes, not the bottle one. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, just a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And we're now going to whisk this together till it all blends and emulsifies. We're going to leave the dressing aside for the flavors to develop, and we're going to get started with our salad. Now you could either go in with a big watermelon or a small one. You're going to look for that big yellow patch, and when you tap it, if you get that hollow sound, you know that it's a good one. We're first going to slice off the top and the bottom so that we get a flat surface to make it stand. Now using a sharp knife, you're going to cut off the green skin, and if you don't get it all out in one go, you can always go round the second time. And while you're doing this, make sure that you're getting off the white rim. We want just that red inner flesh. Now we're going to turn it on its side and cut it into about 1/2 inch slices. Also, when buying the watermelon, make sure to buy one that's seedless. Now we're going to take one of the slices and we're first going to cut it down in strips. And I'm going in for 1/2 inch strips. And then we're going to turn it around and cut it in cubes. And now that we've chopped these lovely bite-sized cubes, we're going to lift them up and put them into a big bowl. And now we're going to continue chopping up the next slice. And I'm going in with about 4 slices for this salad. Now we have our watermelon all chopped, so let's add the next refreshing flavor, which is an English cucumber. And we're going to chop off the top and the bottom, and then slice it down into half, then into quarter, and then into about 1/2 inch cubes. Now you could also chop this up in slices, but I prefer having them of the same bite-sized pieces as the watermelon. Now for a little bite, we're going to add 1/2 a red onion. And we're first going to slice it down as fine as we can, and then we're going to halve it before we add it into the bowl. And to add to the refreshing flavors, we're going to go in with 2 herbs, mint leaves and basil. And we're going to pluck about 15 mint leaves, and we're going to chop it down fine. And 4 to 6 fresh basil leaves, depending upon their size. And we're going to roll them up before we start slicing them. And now let's add them to the bowl. Now for a balance of flavors, we're going to go in with 250 grams of feta cheese. And you could cube this up if you liked, but I like to just crumble it because it gives the salad a more creamy texture. So we're going to go in and crumble up about 3/4 of the feta cheese. And we're going to preserve just a little bit to garnish our salad later. Now back to our dressing, we're going to give it one last whisk before we pour it on top of the salad. And using our salad spoons, we're going to give the salad a toss till all the ingredients get well mixed together. Adding feta cheese to the watermelon salad is going to give the salad that classic Mediterranean flavor. And now that it's all mixed, it's time to garnish it with the feta cheese that we had left behind. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now let's serve up a plate of this delicious salad. Now you could have this as a full meal, or you could have it as a side. And now it's time to give our watermelon salad a taste. And this is a perfect salad for a hot summer day, and it's really hot today, so I'm excited to dig in. Wow. The watermelon and the cucumber, all such refreshing things in the salad. Perfect. And I've taken a nice piece of the feta. Wow, this is such a refreshing salad. I hope you give it a try. So hit on the link in the description box below or hop onto my website, platingitwithwendy.com, for the full written recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.